How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. So I'm working on a 1994 Honda Accord and the brake lights are staying on. What keeps them on? Well, it could be a couple of things, including the brake switch. But that's not what it is. Let me show you what it is real quick. Alright, you come under the dash and you can see these bits and pieces of blue plastic laying here in your floorboard. Wonder what those go to? It's not just some random plug up under your dash. Let's climb on here and I'll show you. Let's get these up first, out of the way. Alright, here we go. Got your brake pedal, right? Come up here above the steering column. There's your brake switch, the plunger, and the actual part of the brake pedal. And as you can see when you push your brake pedal, how they separate. Well, right in there's a hole. And what happens is, that's where all that plastic comes from. When you push your brake pedal, it separates from the plunger comes out, telling the brake lights to come on. Well, with nothing there, with it all the way up like it is now, what happens is, that plunger is going inside that hole, telling the switch that it's actually pressed when it's not. So that's what's keeping your lights on. So replace that little bump stop, and you'll be good to go. Here's the kit. You get a black one and a white one. There's the part number. And it's from the Doorman Help. And this is in the center area of any hardware, any automotive supply parts house. Just get one, take the white one, put it in the hole, and you're good to go. So let's get it opened up. There's how it looks with the bump stop in it. Now your brake lights will turn off. And once you get it, you want to plug the fuse back in. It's a 20 amp, it'll be this first one. And then go around and check your brake lights. And there you go. That's all there is to that. It's not as hard as you think it is. The hardest part's getting under there. Just slide your seat all the way back, raise your steering wheel up, and you're good to go. Now this works on 94, 95, and 96 Hondas that I know of, because I've replaced them in all of them. And it's really not hard. The hardest part is getting up under there to where you can push on the pedal and get your hand around the steering column to pop the little piece in. But yeah, it's that simple, guys and gals. I hope this video helps at least one or two people out there. I know there's other videos out there, but I want to do an updated version. As you've seen, it's not hard. And like I said, I know it covers 94, 95, and 96, and I'm certain it covers more than that. Nothing to unhook or anything. All you got to do is look under your fuse panel like I just showed you, pull out the 20 amp fuse. It's very simple, and everyone I've seen, it's always the second row from the right, the very bottom fuse, 20 amp. Just pull that, that'll knock off your brake lights, and it won't melt your brakes by your lens by staying on all day in the sun, because I have seen that happen, and you don't want that. But now keep in mind, when you do pull that fuse, you will not be able to drive your car, because that fuse also locks out your transmission. So you have to have the fuse in order to be able to drive the car. So if you've got somewhere you've got to go, or you want to move it under a shade tree or pull it in the garage, whatever, the fuse has to be in it. Otherwise you are not going to move that car, no matter what you do. So I just thought I'd make this updated version of the pull for the fuse on the brake lights for staying on, because this is just a common problem on these particular Honda Accords and everything. And you know how it is. Every vehicle and every manufacturer has one issue, and the Honda Accord, this is it. So you guys get out there, drive your cars. That's what you're paying for them for, right? Enjoy them bad boys. Get out there and drive them. And that's what they're meant to be done with, you know. And until the next video, guys, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.